to address this issue of VAT. Okay, before I address the issue of the CIC, maybe I should do a video about this KZN youth, ANC Youth League that were fighting physically, so addressing each other in a manner that is very disappointing, because we need to talk about where, and this discussion is not discussed enough. What is the generational mission for our youth? I'm counting myself in. The guys born in the 80s and the 90s. What is our generational mission? What is it that we are trying to achieve for our generation? That question is not answered. So you find youth playing the wrong, not playing the game, not playing the ball, but playing the man. You understand what I'm saying? Seeing those scenes there in the ANC Youth League is disappointing. I know the ANC Youth League does not have a leader. I mean, Colin Malachi is a manufactured leader. He's not a strong leader at all. There's no leadership characteristics that can be traced from him. But it shouldn't be. I will address this issue of the ANC tomorrow. I'll address it for you guys tomorrow and tell you what happened there. It's disappointing to see that it's not. It does not represent us well as African people, that in our own gatherings that we want to decide that we want to physically handle each other when we can just reason with superior logic. Anyways, and corner available papayo that will test your patience and your temper as a leader, and that's where you need to show strong leadership. Let's go to the EFF. Excuse me, the EFF.